Today we are going to discuss about the filtering. That means I am talking about the first, last, equal filter and not methods. So don't worry about it. We are going to discuss about them. First of all, I'm saying this is the div, and I'm saying I have some paragraphs. This is para, and now I have 3 paras. Okay, so now I have to clone this. Okay, so how can you do that? First of all, I'm saying I'm going to create the selector. I'm saying when the DOM is ready, I'm saying that div dot first. That means I'm talking about the first element. I'm saying add the CSS. It takes 2 parameter. I'm saying it takes CSS. That means I'm saying that background, I'm saying red. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now you can see when the DOM is ready, it's adding the paragraph. For suppose if you have a button here, that's why I am always using the button. I'm saying click me. Now I'm saying that when someone click on the button, jQuery code, button, click event, function, semicolon, and this is refresh the page, click on this, and as you can see, you are adding the first. If you are saying last, so now as you can see, you have first element, second element, third element. So this is the last element. Go to the page, refresh the page, click on this. As you can see, this is the last, so that's why it's adding the last. Okay, so for suppose we have a particular method which is EQ. That means it takes 1 parameter. For suppose if I'm saying 1, so what happens? The EQ methods returns the element with a specific index number of the selected elements. For suppose if you are adding the 0, that means the index start and make sure all the index start from the 0. That means I'm talking about this one. So go to the page, refresh the page, click on this. So now you can see it's adding the second one. If you are saying the 0, that means you are saying the index, because all index always start from the 0. Refresh the page, click on this. That means it's adding the 0. Okay, if you are saying 2, go to your page, refresh the page, and now click on this. That means you are saying the last element. If you are saying the 0, refresh the page, save the file, refresh the page, click on this. That means you are saying the 0, because the index always start from the 0. So it's totally depend upon you. Either you are using first, last, and of course the EQ. And of course we have another method which is the not. The not method returns all elements that do not match the criteria. How? For suppose I'm saying find the div which don't have the, or suppose not the class, I'm saying intro. Okay, now I should add the class here, class intro. Okay, because this is the second element, first element, second element, and this is the third element. Go to the page, refresh the page, click on this. So now you can see it's adding the background color, and now I'm saying please do not add the background color here, but you can add all the background color like this. So it's totally depend upon you. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.